everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Filipa and this is the Little Matilda Atelier. In today's video I'm going to show you how do I make a tag. I will make a tag to go with one of my dolls, and this is something that I like to do for fun, just for relaxing, but today I decided to show you guys how I do it. Usually I used to make them very plain, very simple, just with a note, but I think that I'm going to decorate them to send with my dolls, and then you can use it for a bookmark or to book the day on your journal. Well, whatever you like it. So I'm going to start with just cutting some paper that I'm going to make some experience in here to try some layout. Like this. Yes. So first I'm going to it's beautiful. Work of art. I love stamps, and I've been to a shop this weekend, Blade rubber stamp. I will link on the description. Their shop is fabulous. It's in central London. I spent a good 2 hours over there with a friend and believe me, I could have stayed all day in there. It's a beautiful shop. So I use my Muji glue tape, my favorite from all time. I've tried a few, but this one is my favorite. It's so simple to use and it's so handy. To put this in here. So you guys think, so she's a doll customizer and she also makes these things? Well, yeah, I'm a crafter. I'm not just a doll customizer. I like arts and crafts and everything it's involved. I really love art, and I thought that why should I make just one thing? I can do lots of things. If I can do this, why not? And I'm very happy to share with you guys. The Little Matilda Atelier, it's not just dolls. It started with dolls, it's true, but it's not just dolls. It's my world, it's my passion, and it's my life too. So I can do whatever I want at the Little Matilda Atelier. And I love to create, and I love to make these. Doesn't show much, so I might change the color. Maybe the vintage one. I'm using a stencil. These are from Tim Holtz, the stamperanonymous.com. Yeah, it's very subtle. I like vintage. I don't know if you can see it here. It's just very subtle. A shade, just a shade. I will have to remember to try to do this on camera. not off camera. Sorry guys for that. And I've been a little bit off camera because as you guys know, I have my toddler always with me, and she's being really hard work lately. So she's starting nursery in about 2 weeks, and I might have a little bit of time for me and for you guys as well. Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Love making these. So cute. I'm going to take this from here. I don't need this. So I'm really into the vintage theme lately. I've always loved vintagey, but lately I think that I've been loving it more. And it's been really an obsession. I'm just going to I know it still has the price tag. I'm too lazy to take those off, sorry. It's beautiful. No, yes, the light is good. Oh man, I love these. It's this Ephemera collection from Team Holtz. It's really beautiful. I love it. And again, this is not an ad. It's my personal choice of materials, of things. Look, it's so beautiful. And now I'm going to add a little bit of vintagey shade. So, and I'm using the distress oxide vintage photo, so that I just add like this, so it has an old look, for an old look. How beautiful is this? And as I was saying, I have about 3 videos to edit to upload, so that I will upload those soon. One is one is about art journaling. The other one is about my studio, a small makeover that I've made. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload that one, but the art journaling, yes, definitely I will upload that. Still need to edit. So, but I wanted to make something special for you guys to see. Look, how cute is this? Now I'm going to add my work of art. And I also am going to give it a vintagey look. Yeah. So beautiful. Matilda is starting to complain and claiming my presents. So beautiful. How beautiful is this? Love it. Look. Love it. And you can use it as a bookmark, as I was saying. Just need to give my own. My stamp. I usually make these. And I love it, how it looks. I hope that my friend who will receive her doll with this tag also like it and use it as a bookmark or a mark for her journal for the day. Yeah, it's really hard to speak and think at the same time. But I'll get there eventually. One day. That beautiful? So beautiful. I'm going to yeah, what you guys think? Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And now it's time to stick this on the doll carrier case. Yeah, so I'm going to just add it in here. And it's a little treasure. Ta-da! All done. Now it's time to pack this beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your comments on my previous videos. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome here. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. And thank you guys. Have a lovely day.